Welcome back to my channel, Gorgeous. Being 13 to 17 is weird. Like, you're either stress studying, having an identity crisis, or scrolling for 6 hours straight. So let me put you on to hobbies that'll make you interesting and keep you from doom scrolling into a midlife crisis at 16. First up, journaling. Not the Dear Diary kind, I mean aesthetic journaling. Stickers, pastel pens, mood boards, doodle your dream life like a Pinterest queen. Reading, but make it main character books. Romance, thrillers, poetry that makes you feel like crying in a flower field. Bonus, your vocab gets God tier. Digital art or drawing, even if you suck. Trust me, drawing cringe anime eyes in your sketchbook is a rite of passage. Cooking or baking. Start with cookies, then go full Pinterest chef mode. You never know when you'll need to bake your way out of a breakdown. DIY crafts like jewelry making, crocheting, scrapbooking. It's giving cottagecore. I make cute things and mind my business. Language learning, Spanish, Korean, French. Pick one and get Duolingo obsessed. It's fun until that bird starts threatening your life. Content creation. Make aesthetic reels, start a blog, post your outfits. Your cringe today will be your slay tomorrow. Trust. Dance or fitness. Not for abs, for the vibe. Try Pilates, K-pop dance tutorials, or just flail around like a fairy in your room. Photography. Get a dusty old phone and take Tumblr core pics of rain, books, and your matcha. Boom. Instant cool. Pick 3 hobbies, grab a cute notebook, and reinvent yourself every Sunday. Sub for more, honey, bye.